Huawei Mate XT trifold smartphone is poised to enter the global market half a year after it hit the Chinese shores. Taking to X, the Chinese tech giant disclosed that it'll host an innovative product launch event on February 18th in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. The Huawei Mate XT debuted in September 2024 in China as the world's first commercially available foldable smartphone with 3 screens. While the specifications of the global variant of Huawei Mate XT haven't been officially announced, it is expected to share similar features as of Chinese counterparts. The Huawei Mate XT features an impressive triple-screen display with a 6.4-inch OLED panel, which expands to an astounding 10.2-inch screen when unfolded. The triple folding phone's display is augmented by 90Hz refresh rate, high-frequency PWM dimming, and a wide color gamut. The Huawei Mate XT is powered by a Kirin 9010 processor featuring 12GB or 16GB of RAM that offers an enhanced user experience. The device is backed by a massive 5600 mAh battery with 66-watt fast charging, 50-watt wireless charging, and 5-watt reverse charging capabilities. The handset boasts a triple camera system with a 50MP primary sensor, 12MP ultra-wide lens, and a 12MP periscope sensor with 5.5x optical zoom. In China, the Huawei Mate XT is available for 19,999 Chinese yuan for the 16GB RAM and 256GB storage option, while the 512GB and 1TB storage variants are priced at 21,999 Chinese yuan and 23,999 Chinese yuan respectively. Notably, Huawei's rival brands such as Samsung, Honor, and Oppo are also reportedly working on their triple folding smartphones.